Hello Boss Pops Chiefs, this is RJ of Tactical on a Budget. This video is a short video showing partly of my preparation for a big match. So I'm preparing for a qualifying match for the PCC World Shoot. Namamawis ang kamay ko. So ang problema ko later in the match is that ma-slide na yung baril for me. Ang ginagawa ko, ayoko din ipastipol yung aking pistol grip because katagalan hindi na siya ganun ka grippy. Instead of altering this beautiful pistol grip, gumagamit ako ng anti-slip tape. Nabili ko ito sa Ace Hardware. Then ginupit-gupit ko siya. Actually, this is designed for my Rock Island Armory Pro Match na 1911. However, I've been using it for my other guns too. Pwede naman siyang magamit. Naka-roll yan siya. Pinutol-putol ko para pag kailangan ko, I just have to put it. Hindi ko na kailangan manu-manuhin. Naka-pre-cut ko na siya. Like here, nilagyan ko dito para grippy siya. So, dalawang tape yan. Dito and dito. Para grippy siya. Then, nilagyan ko din dito kasi dito yung thumb ko. Not really too much purpose. I just want a physical confirmation without looking na nasa tamang lugar yung thumb ko. Okay? Now, dito sa other side, nilagyan ko din dito sa taas so that I'll know na yung trigger finger ko when not firing, nilalagay ko siya dyan para alam ko na naka-trigger finger out ako, hindi siya mag-slip down there and mag-cause ng disqualification. So, without looking, I'll know by feeling na nasa tamang lugar yung kamay ko kasi ma-feel ko yung grippiness nito. Now, I want to add this dito sa panel so that magdikit talaga siya sa palm ko. So, let's do that now. Mura lang ito. Ang roll nito, this is the anti-slip tape for the CR. Sa Ace Hardware ko nabili. I think 180 pesos ang roll nito. So, nilalagay ko siya dyan para to add more grip to my hand. And then, gusto ko din lagyan dito sa front. So, lagyan ko lang ng maliit. This one. Ayan o. Merong label para saan siya for the RIA Pro Match Ultra na 1911. But, I can just repurpose it. Depende sa kailangan ko. I also use this to my Glocks and other firearm. So, yan. I think this is good. Ipipress ko lang siya more para magdikit talaga. But this will last me for the rest of the competition. Now, why do I go for this? Kung ipapastipol ko ito, grippy siya at first. However, as you use it, nawawala yung pagka-grippy nung stippling. I like this better kasi, for example, ito, 2 months ko na ito gamit. Medyo natanggal na yung mga granulates niya. So, yan na, hindi na siya ganun ka-grippy. Palitan natin siya. We can always strip this off. Yan. Then, kuha tayo ng bago. Taas natin konti para makita talaga na range officer na naka-trigger finger out tayo. So, yan. Yan. Now, it's brand new. Now, it's full grippy again. Yun yung maganda sa kanya kasi once natanggal na yung mga granulates, you can just strip it off, put a new one. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan i-repastaple again and gonna cost you downtime sa baril mo and little bit of fees pa for that. So yeah, I'm happy with this, hoping for the best, and that's it. I hope naka-impart ako ng a little bit of information. If this is useful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. That would help me a lot. Thank you for watching. Peace.